ka lang. Okay. Brother, ilang taong ka na? Life tayo dito sa Angeles City.
55 na.
Tayo mo subdivision. 55. So, you are inflicted by this hypertension problem. Health problem. So, by 2 years, nag-maintenance ka na lang. Sige. Ano pa alam mo sa totoong buhay? Carlos.
P. Garcia.
P. Garcia. Okay. Malapit na maging senior citizen. So, tingnan natin kung gaano ka nahihirapan huminga. Okay. Tingnan. Okay. Deeper. Hirap ka huminga. Ibig sabihin, pag lumalabas ka sa bahay na ito, kung ka doon pala sa gate, hangus ka na.
Hindi pagod na.
Oo. So, brother, ang papa mo, bibigyan ko ng testimony kung paano ang infancia makakabuhay ng patay. Hallelujah. Praise to God. Praise to Jesus Christ. Yes, so, brother. Tapos na natin. Atin natin itong tagiliran. Key points ng power. Okay, yung ancient technique. Ano? Say ha. So, ano lang ito? Warm up lang. So, sabihin mo lang sa akin, pag may pain, accept the pain, don't resist, then blow it out, no? Blow mo lang yung sikit. Okay, warm up. Say ha. What is it? Okay. I know. Okay. Okay, last part. Okay. Okay. Make it stagnant, more stagnant. Deeper. And don't resist. Okay. Okay mo. Say ha. Deeper. Deeper. Don't resist. Don't resist. Okay. Don't resist. Don't resist. Okay, last one. Okay. Parang nalula kanina. Ngayon, huminga ka na. Close mo yung bibig mo. Close. Sige. Ano masasabi? Lumalim?
Lumalim.
Ilalalin ko pa. More deeper yan. Ang touch ko, warm up lang yan. Ito yan talaga ang executory ng treatment. Little bit deeper, no? All you have to do is make it, make it more stagnant. Push it harder outside, okay? Like this, okay? Lock, and open. Then, go. Make it deeper and louder. Okay. Yes. Don't resist. Go with the flow. Accept the pain. More. Push it. Deeper. Push. Push. Deeper. Deeper.
Hindi ko magulo.
How it works to you? Tell me. Breathe and close your mouth. Deeper. Deeper. And deeper. How do you feel? How do you feel?
Ano na?
Let us try after this. You are going to jump. Most of my patients jump after the treatment, 100 times. But luckily they do not feel they are totally depressed or they're totally tired. No? I feel so much energy. They like Bruce Lee. Ewan ko kung hindi pa sila naniniwala dyan, ang nilagay ko ng legendary, si Bruce Lee. Susunod, ilalagay ko si Van Damme, The Blooded Fight. Kasi nag-training siya sa sa Japan. The Blooded, History Fight of Van Damme. Oh. Ano bang totoong pangalan ni Van Damme? Tinuruan siya ng ganitong technique eh. Tinuruan siya, hindi lang yung talagang kickboxing.
Video mo. Huwag mong pipindutin na.
Yung pag ikaw na-stroke, brother sa amin, wala pang 3 araw. Sumisipa ka na.
Ano na kumaklam siya?
Oh,
Tama nga.
wala yun. Nakita mo. Oh. Sige, brother. Ito. Sandali. Ilalak lang natin ang kanto. Sister, tingnan mo si Papa mo kung papagurit. Ano pa kayo naman sa puso mo? Parang wala na yung bigat.
Wala na.
And then, prove it to me. Dati nakakagusto ka ba ng mga sampo?
Hindi yan.
Hindi.
Hindi niya natatry.
Ngayon, sige. Titingnan ko mapapagod si Papa mo. Okay.
Ano?
Okay, jump.
Jump.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.